Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a freestyle signature line using stroke path in Photoshop. Start with the pen tool and draw your signature curve. Choose a thin calligraphy brush for a handwritten feel. Reduce brush spacing for smooth ink flow. Right click the path and select stroke path. Choose brush and enable pressure simulations and also apply the stroke to reveal a clean signature look. Now add a subtle drop shadow for depth. Use color overlay to smooth to match brand colors. Add slight noise for real pen effect. Duplicate the layer for a more bold signature version. This technique is perfect for branding and watermarking. Try different brush